then what we're going to do, that's steel, but you must use frangible. That's why they're safer, and you get the dynamics of shooting close. So we eyes and ears on. We're locked and loaded. Are we good?
Good.
All right, here we go. You good? All right, let's push this back. The spray, you can see what the spray did. So you see what?
So we're just shooting center mass on the...
No, you're just going to know that when you shoot close, it's not going to hurt you.
Oh, good.
Now I'm going to show you what you're going to do.
Okay.
All right.
What steel and frangible is.
Right.
When you shoot steel with ball ammo, you got to be about 10 yards minimum.
Okay.
Or further. Otherwise, you get ricochet. I was in what, about 4 inches? Yeah. Okay. All right. So here we go. You want to step back?
Next man.
I'll do the first one. You kind of watch what we're going to do. We're going to move and shoot. Then go ahead and lock and load. We're going to come out and transition, right? Okay. So I'm about here. I transition to this one. I'm ready. I'm moving forward. Then if I need to, I can drop that mag, come across.
I don't know why you did 6.
I'm just demonstrating. Okay. So I'm moving and shooting. I transition. I came. So from the hand, come out left side. Getting my rounds. Reload. I come back as soon as I get my first target. I got to keep moving and shooting. This is not a lot of slicing the pie, and then we're just going to just kind of creep around and hit it. We got to move. This is an active shooter. We're going to get in there, get the job done, and move on to the next. We got to move on. So it's not a lot of just standing around shooting. We got to move. We're going to transition. All right, come over here. So we're here. I transition. I'm coming this way.
Yeah, so we're gonna do 2
Then I'm
rounds.
here.
Yep.
Then I'm on this side. I come out. I transition from left hand. I come to this side. Then I come across. Coming here. Do my reload. Then I come across. Okay. Kind of get a lot of moving and shooting in.
Yep.
So the best shots that you can get. Center mass. I got some headshots.
You got one?
I'm close. I got some headshots in, but you're coming across. But you're moving and shooting. We're shooting. The different dynamic is we're here, shoot, but now I'm sideways. I might have to come out. I might have to engage here. So I'm left and right. We could be doing all this. It's a lot easier to do this.
Yeah.
Engage if it is. Wait till you start to move. So when you start to move, you're going to start shooting like this, and you try to go back, and
Yeah.
it's better just to move this and keep your body straight. Okay? But take your time. But try to have some forward motion, even if you're taking your time. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
it's too
so that what I told them is that first iteration, get to know it.
Yeah, let's take these off. Okay?
First iteration, get to know it. You can go as slow as possible if
Yeah.
you want, and then.
But I want
as you-
more movement.
Yep. Yep.
That's why it's easy here when I come out, I'm transition. It's like, okay, oh, is there somebody there? Kids are getting hurt. We gotta go. We gotta come out. We're here. It's like, okay. Because I know that there's no threat here. I can see it. So now I'm here. I gotta keep moving. Now I got my threat. And I can come back. See how I was engaging coming back? And if I'm over here, I transition the right hand, left to right hand, doesn't matter. I come here. That's covered. Now I'm here. You can always come back here and stand. Then you can work your way around it.
Roger. Two-handed. Okay?
We're moving in. Let's go. Stack up. Right? Stack them up. Stack them up.
Yep.
We're here. Stack them up. Let's go. Let's go. You left, I go right. Here we go. Here we go. Coming in. You know, we're moving in. It's not like.
We'll be right back when people start
Going in. Go.
working on the range and we get locked and loaded.
So.